What a woman is to me in one word is passionate.
Resilient.
Brilliant.
Selfless.
Determined.
Confident.
Powerful.
Driven.
A winner. Everything.
An accountant. An industrial engineer.
Social worker.
The boss.
My mentor, who is the CEO of Discovery Bank, and it's a digital bank, one of the first in the world, Apule Mzimba.
Sheryl Sandberg. She's the Chief Operating Officer at Facebook. She's the first woman elected to be on Facebook's board of directors.
I would say Nasia Pervin. She started off her mobile gaming company. She's made a breakthrough in an industry where it's already so hard to do so.
Some of the worst advice I've ever been given is you have to choose either your family or career. Well, it is very possible for women to thrive in both.
The worst advice that I've been given is not to read, not to gain knowledge.
I was once told to just sit pretty in meetings while the men presented my work.
Don't wear dresses to work.
Be submissive.
Keep your head down and do as you're told.
Upskill yourself, because we always tend to get so caught up at home and focusing on our kids and the people in our lives, and we forget about ourselves. So never stop learning, always grow.
Assert yourself to a level where you take accountability for your actions. Own your life.
You need to believe in yourself, because if you don't, nobody else will.
Each for equal means to me, as a woman, knowing and owning your worth and also celebrating all of our achievements as a woman together.
Each for equal to me means that we all have a role to play in bettering the lives of women and girls.
Each for equal for me means an access to equal opportunities and resources.
Each for equal means working together and ensuring that there's a better working environment for all.
Absolutely. I think all the stats prove it. We definitely are paid less. We are given less opportunities. So we've still got a long way to go, and we're all responsible for it, men included.
We've come a long way, and if you look at it now, women's capabilities are measured by their experience, skills, and qualifications. And we've managed to penetrate through career spaces which were dominated by men. It's no longer about empowering women for the betterment of women. It's about empowering women for the betterment of the business. It's a fact that businesses are more successful when there is a balance of gender in senior positions.